Okay, what I'm about to show you guys here is how you can calculate mean, median, and mode for large data sets using Desmos.com. If you have data sets that are less than 10 individual entries, then this may not actually be worth your time. But when we're dealing with large data sets, oftentimes a calculator can be a shortcut that is quite useful. And if you do not have access to a TI-84 calculator like the ones we use in class, then Desmos can be a great option. So you're just going to go to Google and type in Desmos calculator. And once you get into your Desmos calculator, if you look down, sometimes when you open it up, it may just look like this blank screen with the graph. But if you look down at this keyboard here in the lower left-hand side and pop that open, you can go to functions. From functions, there are 3 tabs here, one for trig, we're not there yet, one for stats, and then miscellaneous functions. So we're going to click on the stats function. And if you notice here, there is a button that says mean and median. So, and then when we move on a little bit later, the standard deviation button will actually be another great measurement tool for you. But if I were to go to click on mean, if you look here in the upper left-hand side, it says mean and then parentheses. What the parentheses are trying to get you to do is to enter all of the data sets. So for example, if we were talking about how many shots Sally makes in a basketball game, the first game she landed, 10 points, we'll say, instead of shots. And then the next game she had an off game and it was 6. And then she had a fabulous game and it was 18. And then we were down to 15, 12, another game at 15. Maybe, let's go with another 12 game, a 16 and a 22. She had a fabulous game. If I give Desmos all of those different data sets there, notice here in the bottom right hand corner it says 14. So the mean of all of those data sets, or the average points she scores per game, appears to be 14. Now another cool trick is I can go ahead and copy all of those data sets. I can jump down to the second line, go back to functions, and now maybe I want to know what the median of that exact same data set is. So I went ahead and ordered the computer to use the function median, and then I can just use Control V to paste those exact same data sets and calculate. So I think I have too many parentheses there. And now I can calculate the median of that exact same data set is 15. So once again, this is just a really useful tool if you have larger data sets and you want to use this for projects and things of that nature going forward. All right, I think that's it.